Hey there guys, so I'm back and I just got these two items. Right now the Xbox is with me and also this, so we're gonna unbox this. Oh my gosh. Oh yes. Oh man. Just what I wanted. An HP Pavilion gaming laptop. Let's keep unboxing it. Boy. Oh, yes. Just what I wanted. Okay, here it is. Alright, there's the outlet and the charger. And yep, there it is, the outlet. And that's the laptop. There's some grates. Not looking grates. Oh, this box. Alright, so the other hand, the camera on. Okay, so nice. Yeah. Just what I wanted. This is the HP Pavilion laptop, and it has the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050 3GB and Intel Core i5, which it says right there, and has the 15.6 Full HD IPS and 8GB RAM and 256GB Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and Windows 10 Home. Oh man, this looks really fabulous, really great, and you got the cloth too, really nice. Oh man, this is just what I wanted, and it felt great. Mechanical keyboard buttons. And you know, this is the second time I felt this from the keyboards. It's because PC Richards does have this, but it costs $800. So I got this cheaper from Amazon. It costs $725, but plus tax. So you get that. So you get that plus tax, which it costs $800. And now let's go for the Xbox. Okay, so let's start off with the Xbox. Just a simple unbox, and you got the Gears 5 and all the Gears of War games bundle. I love the Gears of War games. Like the Gears of War games, 1, 2, 3, Gears of War games, they're absolutely better. Gears 5 and 4, I do not know. Alright, so here's the actual Xbox One S with the disc reader. Because I have all the Xbox 360 games. Yep, so here's the one with the disc reader, and it has like a 1 terabyte. Same specs for the Xbox One S. Same specs. It's hard to get boxes with one hand. Nostalgic, holding one hand with the camera on, which is the Vita. You know what? I'm just gonna cut this right now. Okay, so now that's out, and this is this box, which is the outfit, the controller, and with all the batteries in it. But I won't be needing the batteries since I got a cable that is attached to the PS4. And there we have it. Oh, and the batteries are in there too. Well, geez, needing the batteries anyway. Okay. Holy shit. Look at this. This is what I wanted. Oh, acid green light keyboard. It is turning on, but the screen is not popping up yet. Oh, there it is. Okay. Right now it's booting up, so...
Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen.
So it has
if you
a
need
microphone.
an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in.
Oh, so her name is
Your region
Cortana.
is set to the United States. Is that right?
So her name
Your
is
keyboard
Cortana
is set
from
to US.
from,
Want to stick with that?
Halo, the game series of Halo. That's where it got the name from. Alright, so I'm gonna set this up and I'll come right back. Okay, so got everything set up and I'm about to download the software, Vegas Movie Studio, and I'm gonna download OBS and Steam. And if you guys can't, if this video is not going on YouTube today or tomorrow, then it'll probably either the next day or probably on Monday. Alright, so yeah, that's it. And now I'm going to download all that stuff. Yeah. And I'm gonna have to do my ending intro right now.
Okay, I'm using the computer mic, which, I tested, not tested, but I listened to my own video, and you can't hear your keyboard, and I don't think the fan, I don't think you can hear the fan, but, I don't know about gaming with the mic on the computer. But you could see for that yourself if you want to buy it. Anyway, those clips that I just showed you were weeks back that I recorded since the first day I got the Xbox and the laptop. So yeah, this stuff is pretty a bit like weeks old video. But anyway, this is an update about the laptop. It's almost the end of the month of September. So yeah, this thing is running really great, and I enjoy it. I was on it like 24/7, like all month. Enjoying this laptop. So if you want to get this laptop, then links are in the description. Alright? Let's get to the end.
Okay guys, that's it for unboxing the HP gaming laptop and Xbox One S. Subscribe for more content, drop a like on this live stream video. If you guys enjoyed it, social media link in the description. And also if you wanted to buy HP One gaming laptop and Xbox One S, link in the description below. And also social media, link in the description below. I said that again, right? Alright, until next time, this is Kenji signing out. Have a great day. Night and afternoon. See you guys later. Peace.